Hello everyone, welcome to Meals with Sue on the Travel with Sue Malaysia series. This video features one of Penang's most loved and most famous street food, Char Keow Teow, also known as Fried Rice Noodles with shrimp. Penangites love their Char Keow Teow, comprising flattened rice noodles with fresh juicy prawns so much that sometimes they really cannot move to another state nor go on holiday for too long. Ask any Penangite what food they crave most from home after a couple of weeks away, and the typical answers would probably be these three all-time favorites hawker delights: Char Keow, Char Hor Fun, and Hokkien Prawn Mee. The Char Keow stall that I am featuring in this video is a specialist who has honed his skills for many years at the Xinhua Char Keow stall, which operates in the evenings at the Pulau Tikus Hawker Center. Just watching the specialist in action really demonstrates his skills and speed while cooking on a flaming hot fire. The ironclad wok is extremely hot, and the clanging of the iron spatula against the hot wok comes almost naturally. Tossing the tin flat rice noodles with those fat succulent prawns, Chinese chives, and bean sprout on the flaming hot wok. And the best version usually has the wok hay effect, meaning a little charred effect. One can request for non-spicy or spicy versions for either dine-in or takeaway. You can never get the wok hay or charred effect when cooking this at home because our wok is not hot enough. Just watch this specialist dancing to create his best plate of Char Keow. Such passion. This hawker is among other hawkers that operate daily at the Pulau Tikus Hawker Center. Other delicious foods include the lok lok stall, the satay, laksa, and so many other stalls. Visit soon and leave a comment on what is your favorite food for this place. Find this stall at the Pulau Tikus Hawker Center at this very popular hawker center which operates daily from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. Please like, share, and subscribe to Meals with Sue to encourage me to produce more content like this. Enjoy and thank you for watching. Have a great day.